Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I install the lower control arm skid on this TRD Pro. So I got Rago lower control arm skid. So make sure you order the right one. So this is for the TRD Pro with the TRD skid. If you have KDSS, get the KDSS skid, or if you have the non-KDSS, get the non-KDSS skid. So I have the lower control arm and the bolts required, and I think I can use the 14 millimeter and the 11 for this install, just 3 bolts. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so first I'm going to clean this area before I install. So I use a shop towel to clean it. Just clean it as much as I can. Remove all the dirt. On the bottom side and the top side. Alright, that looks good. So let me get the skid and try to align the bolts. Alright, so I have 3 bolts, 2 longer ones and 1 shorter one. So the shorter one goes to the outside and the longer ones go in these spots. So let's install. So I'm going to use a longer bolt here. Goes through this nut, the washer, and this nut. Just going to get it started first, and then I will install the other ones. Okay, next we take the small nut. Just wiggle a little bit to find the hole on top. Okay, you can see, get it all the way up. First take the big washer, goes on top first, then the smaller one, and the bolt. Okay, now let's tighten them, all 3 of them. Alright, so I'm going to tighten the bolts. So these 2 longer ones take 14 millimeter. Alright, so this is how it looks after the install. You have a nice area of protection right here, and you have two 14 millimeters on the inside of the car. So this one and the one at the back, so these two are 14 millimeter and this one is 11 millimeter. I wish Rago provided a shorter nut here so it doesn't look bad after install. So this is how it looks. So let me install the other side. Alright, so you can see I have installed the lower control arm skid on the other side. So again, two 14 millimeter bolts on the inside of the car and the 11 millimeter on the outer side of the car. Pretty easy to install. So if you like the video, let me know on the comments, or you can subscribe so you can see more videos, the things that I do for my 4Runner. So this is all I'm showing you how I did it, so maybe it would help you. So thank you for watching. See you next time.